I have been involved here in Buffers Alley since 1995 on the administration side, I suppose, as PRO. And here I am 25 years later, still in the role, but loving every minute of it and embracing all new ideas that come with PR. In between, I got involved with Wexford GA in 2007. I became county PRO, and then I continued on with the board for another 5 years, doing the role of assistant secretary and mainly doing fixture secretary during that time. And I finished up my 5 years as the Wexford delegate on Leinster Council. So I've had 15 years in the county board and 25 years in Buffers Alley. So I'm enjoying all of it. My main achievement, I suppose, was when I won the McNamee Award in my second year as PRO for my county final programme. Everyone around here would talk about winning the Club All-Ireland in 1989. My husband happened to be a member of that team, so as a family it was a great honour for us. But looking back on footage of the game and maybe the local papers and the newspaper reports, there was huge buzz and excitement around in winning that title. It was their second time attempting to win it and having been beaten 3 years earlier. So they still are, I suppose, the only club to have won the senior in Wexford, the Club All-Ireland. So it is a big, big honour for this area in the parish. Manny happens to be the park manager, so it's easy to get a few little jobs done if you want a little bit of painting done, or if you want a little, maybe the notice board fixed and update. He's able to do all his little jobs for me, so it's handy having somebody else in the family involved as well. GA means a lot to me. It's all about family and connecting families together. I take a lot of photographs, and I'm up here from the time the children are playing when they're 6 and 7, and they all get to know you. I like pottering around as well, doing the flowers and keeping the place looking colourful. Well, the GA here is, I suppose, a focal point of the community. We have a lot of new families, coming into the club, and it's a way of getting to know people. I suppose this place here in Buffers Alley started with very humble beginnings, with one pitch and just dressing rooms, and bit by bit they have extended. Now we have 3 full-size pitches. We have a walking track. Most nights here in the summer, with the 3 pitches, they're all full, and out here on the veranda is also full. Some people come to watch training, some come to watch matches, and some just come to chat and talk about what happened the day before at all the games, and thinking they're going to be able to fix everything. But it's a great meeting place for people, really. None of us set out, to get a lot of recognition for doing the work. You just do it and get on with it, and proud to be a member of the GA and a member of Buffers Alley and Wexford GA.
From the Buffers Alley Club in County Wexford, Mary Foley.